Now, what about capital share? What about labor share? What's delta SL? Or let me do it the other way. What's delta SL divided by SN? That's an easier one to do. What's the rate of change of the relative share of labor and capital? How would you get it? Anybody see how we can do that from what's on the board? This is something people focus on a lot, right? Labor gaining, well, right? People talk about this going on. What's been happening in recent years?
Labor's been losing.
Labor share has been falling, which means labor share relative to capital share is going to be going down, because if labor share falling, capital share is rising, and so both of those effects are pushing this, right? That is the relative change. What would that be equal to? Well, isn't that just equal to delta W plus delta L minus delta K plus delta R? Everybody agree with that? That is, it's just changed. This is how much more labor is getting. This is how much more capital is getting. And therefore, that difference would be the change in the relative shares. By definition, right? That is the relative shares, right? Because SL over SK is just LW divided by RK. Just take total percentage change in that ratio, it's going to be exactly that one. So what would that be in the short run? What would that be in the short run? In the short run, if these two are 0, okay, then that would be telling us that it would be delta W plus, well, it would be delta L 0, it would be just delta W minus delta R, which according to that formula there would be exactly given by that formula, it would just be delta B. Right? So in the short run, which is L and K fixed, this would imply delta SL over SK equals delta W over R equals delta B. All right, so that would be a measure of technological bias in that work, because there would be no substitution between labor and capital in that short run. Okay. If we're holding L and K. So you might think that that would be one force that would drive. Okay? That is holding those fixed. What about over the longer term? What would it be equal to over the longer term? Well, it would be delta W minus delta R plus delta L minus delta K, right? So it would be equal to, so delta W minus delta R plus delta L minus delta K would be equal to, according to my formula here more generally, 1 over sigma. Now what do I need? Well, I got a delta L, delta K on that side. So I think it's 1 over sigma minus 1 times delta K minus delta L plus delta B. So if we saw an economy, now the traditional view of long-run growth from Max, what was the traditional fact people cited about long-run growth? Anybody remember? So SL, that was the traditional view, right? SL was constant. So what came out of the neoclassical growth model is delta R equals 0, right? Delta K, delta K equals delta Y. Are you right? So what's the view of the world? Then delta W was equal to delta PFP over SL, right? Those are kind of the facts that we traditionally use. But what if we saw an economy where where labor share was falling? This is delta SL over SL. for des L over SK falling? What would be the two explanations you have? Well, if sigma's 1, then there's only one explanation, right? Because if sigma's 1, then K over L doesn't really affect the factor ratio, I mean the shares, and therefore it's all about bias, right? That is the only thing driving increase in capital share or labor share over time would be all coming from technological bias. But what about if sigma's not equal to 1? What would happen if sigma were bigger than 1? What happens when sigma's bigger than 1? What if I had the neoclassical growth model facts? That is, the long run return to capital was constant, but labor share wasn't constant. Labor share was changing. And sigma was bigger than 1. What would the world look like? Let's assume, let's get out of the standard neoclassical growth model. But let's maintain the elastic supply of capital assumption. So I'm going to assume that I'm going to maintain delta R equals 0. That is, long run, over the long haul, return to capital isn't changing. Yeah.
What's the sense in which we assume that in the long run?
Well, remember our neoclassical growth model, right? What did our neoclassical growth model say? It said that the supply of capital was very elastic in the long run. That is, it didn't matter, right? That is, we got, because the rate of time preference was, if it wasn't varying with income, we had a very elastic supply of capital.